He's a little lion. Are you a lion? Yeah, you're a lion. Come here, Oliver. Say hi. You go say, roar. So we got our Halloween costume. Hello. See, look, he has a tail. That's back where he's sitting on it. And he has a mane. Aren't we sweet? There's his tail. Say bye-bye, Oliver. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.